Hey, I'm Anya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a YouTube video ad campaign with video placements as a targeting method. As you can see, I'm now inside AdWords and I'm just going to click on Campaign and on Video. First of all, you can give your campaign a title. Then you can keep the setting Video and Standard. And you can set your budget. We usually start with about $20 a day. Then you can deselect YouTube Search and include video partners. So we're just going for YouTube videos. Here you can select the locations you want to target. You can get very specific. So for example, if you're a local business, you can choose only a specific postal code, for example, or city, but you can also choose several countries. Then here below, you can set your languages. The default is set to English, but you can also edit it and enter any language you want. Now, inside Veeroll, we have three types of YouTube templates, and we have a video on which ad type to choose as well inside the members area. Now, for this option, I'm going to use an easy click template. This means that it's only going to run on desktop devices because of the way the call to action works. Definitely make sure to check out the video on which YouTube ad type to choose for more information on this. What it means is that I don't want to run this ad on mobile, so what I will do is decrease the mobile bit adjustment by 100%. So again, if you don't want to run your ad on a mobile device, this is the setting you have to use. Then here at Advanced Settings, you can set a schedule if you want. I'm not going to change anything about this. And here at Ad Delivery, you can choose what you want to optimize for example. In this case, what I want is to optimize for conversions because I want people to sign up on our website. For the rest of these settings, I'm just going to leave them as they are. Now all you have to do is click Save and Continue. On the second page, I'm going to create my first ad group and enter the video link for my ad. Now inside Veeroll, I've created targeting lists of people to target with our ad. As you can see here, I have several lists. Now what you can do is create a new ad group for your campaign for each of these lists. And that way you can quickly see which keyword phrase got you the best results. However, if you're in a hurry, I recommend to just copy all the links and put them all in one ad group. So in this case, I used the search term Power Editor. That's also what I'm going to name my ad group. Then here I'm going to paste the link of my video. Now, when you're inside Veeroll, you can scroll to My Videos. And then at your YouTube ads, you can see all the links of your videos. So the only thing you have to do is copy the link of the video you want to use and paste it here. As you can see, here's a little preview, and then all you have to do is select in-stream. So our Veeroll video templates are designed to be used as in-stream ads. Those are the ads that run in front of other videos on YouTube, the ones that you can skip. As you can see, here's the preview. Then you can enter your display URL. That's the URL that people will see on the video. Below that, you can enter your final URL. Your final URL is basically what they used to call the destination URL. This is where people actually get taken to when they click on your ad. So this can be something like veeroll.com/offer, for example. It's important to know that this has to be on the same domain as your display URL. So you can't use the URL veeroll.com and then send people to a completely different website. For the companion banner, we usually use the auto-generated images and don't change anything about it. If you want to, you can give your video ad a title. And then you can scroll down to the bidding section. Your cost per view is going to be different in each industry. We usually start with about 20 cents, but sometimes we even use 50 cents or even $1. It really depends. When your campaign is running for a few days, you will be able to see if you're getting enough views or not, and you can optionally increase it. The rest of the settings, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then we finally get to the targeting section. The first thing you're going to do is click on Narrow Your Targeting and click on Placements. Now, all you have to do now is paste all the YouTube video placement links inside this box. So what you're going to do is go back to the YouTube tools and your placement lists. And then here for each ad group, I'm just going to click on Get Links, copy to clipboard, and paste them here. Like I said, what you can do is you can create inside AdWords a separate ad group for each of these lists. But if you just want to get your campaign running quickly, I would just put them all in the same list. Now here we've removed all the duplicates from the list. So as you can see in this one, there's only one left. So that's not really very interesting. Here we have 120 videos. So definitely worth it. Again, I'm going to click on Get Links, copy to clipboard, and paste them in the box. Here again, we have 240 videos, which is definitely worth it. Copy to clipboard and paste the links. Now, as you can see, I have about 500 links now. We generally recommend to start with about 1,000. I'm not going to enter all of them now because it's just an example, but keep in mind that the more links you have, the more chance you have of getting impressions. Now, when you have about 1,000, you can click on Add Placements. And then they will show up here on the right-hand side. Now, if you're using channel targeting as a method, so if you've created a list of channels instead of videos, it works the exact same way. All you have to do is enter the links here, add placements, and then they will show up here on the right-hand side as well. Now you can click Done. All you have to do now is click Save Ad Group and your campaign will be created. It can take some time for AdWords to review your campaign, so it might not be active right away. And for AdWords, it's also good to know that in the first 24 hours, you will not see any data. Sometimes it's a bit sooner, but unfortunately AdWords takes some time. So if you don't see views right away, don't worry about it. Just wait for about a day and then check back in. Remember, if you have any questions about campaign building whatsoever, just go to our Facebook group and connect with us there. We're always happy to help.